I need you to tell me what to do about Thermador oven error codes.
Aside from be disappointed given how much the oven cost you?
That doesn't help me now.
Some of their ovens use E error codes while others use F.
Are you sure the E isn't mistaken for an F?
F0 is a control board error, as is F1.
E1 is a control board problem too.
F2 is the error for the oven temperature being too high, while E2 just means check oven sensor.
So they are related but not exactly the same.
The E3 error means the oven temperature sensor has an open circuit, while E4 means it is shorted.
Both mean check the wiring, reboot the control board and replace the sensor, hoping you don't have to replace the control board.
E5 through E8 are control board problems, and I'd say reboot first, consider replacing later.
Later being the key term, because it takes days to get someone in with a new control board.
E9 is the error for a latch switch. Whether it is a broken latch, broken switch, bad latch sensor or control board, I don't know.
If it is locked when it is supposed to be locked or unlocked when it should be unlocked, the issue is a sensor or switch that can't switch when it should lock.
E11 and E12 are other latch switch problem error codes, but E10 is for control boards.
Now we're back to reboot and hope it works.
E13 is the error on Thermador CT models that the latch motor lacks power, while on CMT models, the control board hasn't converted.
How can it not convert?
It is probably a major glitch, like a read-only memory saying it is on the fritz. Reboot and see if that works.
And if it doesn't, replace the control board.
Ditto for the E15 error code.
What are the F error codes?
F3 is the error for an open temperature sensor while F4 is when it is shorted.
I can check that with a multimeter, and any reading between 0 and infinity means something has to be replaced.
F7 is the error for a shorted control key, though you may get it if you're holding down the button too long.
Or you need to replace the control board.
F8 is the internal logic failure error, though whether it is the sensor or control board, I don't know.
Reboot and hope it works, if not replace the sensor.
F9 is another type of internal logic failure, though that's related to the door latch and switch.
That may mean the latch is broken, the motor that locks the door is broken or the switch is broken.
The FD error occurs when the bake and broil relay are trying to work at the same time when it should be in either or case.
So see if they are both on, and if they are, turn the thing off and have someone fix the mechanical components that turn on the elements. If that's not it, the control board needs to be replaced before it is literally burned out.